SunWest spraying on a 20-mile-an-hour wind day. The drift is coming clear over here, at least 1,000 feet, 1,000 yards away, drifting over to my ranch. I could smell it, dang near feel it, whatever they're spraying. I actually feel it tacking to my skin right now. This guy right here is running along the row. You can even see that drift down there on that. Look how far that drift is floating. I don't know if you can see it on the film, but it's floating like way over across the field from where he's spraying. Look at that drift, it's just way over. It's going 10, 15, 20 rows over. Look at that drift. See the wind speed? You can't even see the leaves blowing right now. Look how much wind's up here. And they're up here spraying. Is that respecting the rules? I doubt it. Some people think they're exempt from the rules. They don't even have a ground crew out there. They're supposed to have ground crews out there by law. Look at that. Let's see if we can get closer. Yeah, that's SunWest Britz Family up here in Tivy Valley. Spraying on a windy day. Videotaping them. Let's see if they stop. They even spray that drift, goes into that reservoir right there. They got a water reservoir right there. That drift goes right into that water, that open water reservoir. They have another one back there. I don't know if you can see it from here, but they're spraying back there too. There's a second reservoir back there, and there's a reservoir over there. You can even see the drift, how far it's going back there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but that drift looks like it's going, it's just hanging in the air, flying everywhere. SunWest Britz Family Farms. You can see the two drivers down here spotted me with the camera up here now, so they stopped the rig. They know they're not supposed to spray it after a 5-mile-an-hour wind. They're just getting it on, spraying anyway. Look at that. That wind here. Down there, stop now, talking. The word will go out on the radios. You can see the drift back there. Look at that drift back there. Drifting off that. It's just flying in the air. Must be 200-300 feet in the air. Look at that. Wow, I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but with your naked eye, you can see that drift, that spray drift 200-300 feet in the air over there. Just going across that landscape right there. Just flying with the wind. Look at that. Another one starting up out there. Yeah, you can almost measure that drift. Got a way to scale that.